Hello, Elrig's here, and today, I know I'm talking kind of quietly, but it's kind of early here, so I can't really talk too loud, or else I could wake up everybody else. This is actually a really cool quest, because you have to pass these 4 tombstones, and then over here, there's like a spiritual circle, and I have to circle it clockwise. And then a portal will open up, and I don't really know what's gonna happen. I think we have to ask some sort of consulman or something a question, but all I know is that we have to ride clockwise around it. And I don't know how many times we do, but I just know we do. Maybe I have to go on the outside. Nothing seems to be happening. Okay, I get it. You have to ride from here and then follow the path. And just to be respectful, we're only gonna canter. We have to canter around, and then eventually this circle goes up, and that's when the portal will appear, I'm pretty sure. This is a really cool quest. Like, I haven't really dazzled in any magic so far. I don't know if anything is actually gonna... Oh yeah! Do you guys see that? Yeah, I think once I step in, then yeah. Wow. Wow. This is actually quite cool. Wow. Oh, I've seen other YouTube videos like this at this place. I know this. Oh. And what? It's locked. Come on, boy. Try to break it down. Nothing. It's too tight. What do we do here? Wow. But guys, there's a problem. There's no portal back home. Oh, I didn't know that those people were Keepers of Aden. And I don't read quests, so there. I didn't know that Alex and that person were Soul Riders. Oh, I hate this music. It's when something bad is about to happen. I know what a Soul Rider is. Let's start with what's this place. Like no other time, space work different ways than in here. Compare the rest of the world. We are the Keepers of Aden. Have the ability to travel here from different places on Jorvik. When we hold council meetings, you can always return to this place, and due to its special nature, you can meet us here again through the pressure, but seeing the past, if you know what I mean. Okay, so we're gonna do all of these. We're gonna do what's a Soul Rider just so I learn a bit more. There are always at least 4 Soul Riders, and they are always special girls who, just like you, have a unique bond to their horses whose souls are one with the island of Jorvik's true essence. Soul Riders are rare, no way days, and we have problems finding new ones. We hope that one day you will become a Soul Rider and help us struggle against Garnuk and other dark powers who work against us. Okay, who is Garnuk? Guess I'll just keep going. Sure, I can bring you up to speed on our friend Lisa. After we spoke to Mrs. Ham last time, so back in normal life, Lisa transferred to Star Academy in York City, where she studied music. She had a true gift, singer, songwriter, guitar, and man, could that girl own the stage. The total package. She started playing at clubs in York. Linda and I would go to see her when we could. Even Anne showed up. Sometimes they got a manager and started touring overseas. It all built up to her playing festival back in Texas, where she was born. Everyone was saying Lisa was the verge of blowing up big time, but then after the show, Lisa went dark. No more shows, no more posting on special media. I thought that said special media, and I'm like, social media. I read the mean things some people said, that she couldn't take the pressure of fame. But I know that wasn't the truth. Lisa is the bravest girl I've ever known. You think being a rock star is pressure? Try being Soul Rider. I know she was coming back to York. I can feel it in my heart and my birthmark. Hermits at York Stables said she had been by to take her horse Starshine out for rides. I heard about Starshine, like when the load screen is on, it says a bunch of like little tips of the days, and I heard about Starshine for rides. This was a few weeks ago. After that, she disappeared without a trace, but we think she is still somewhere on York. Whoa, this is like the longest one of these. Linda, care to share what about Anne's whereabouts? What? And there's more? Our friend Anne is a pretty big deal in the dressage world. In the 2 years since we came together as Soul Riders, she and her horse Concord attended more and more competitions, both in York and aboard. That's who Anne is. When she puts her mind to something, she puts her whole heart into it. We were so proud of her. 2 months ago, she went back to France for a dressage invitation. During the competitions, the announcer called her name, but she never entered the ring. She and Concord just disappeared. Anne's family very rich. The authorists thought it might have been a kidnapping, but the expected ransom note never came. We suspect that Darkcore is behind their disappearance. I'm afraid that that's all we know. That was really cool. Darkcore. I might just kind of read this in my head so that it goes faster. Wow, thanks. That was really cool. Can I do that again? Like, already? I want to check if I can do it again. That was really cool. Like, I wonder if you just have to do it. I'm gonna go faster, because now that I know that, kind of, all about speed in that world? I don't really think so. I think that that was just for the quest. I don't think. Yep. We can. It's just I don't want to. I just wanted to see. So yeah, now we have to go back and get our Yorfix shillings because that was all for a quest. That was really cool. I didn't, like, I've seen other people go to that place in, like, videos, but I've never actually been there or anything. Aw, frick. Attitude General. I'm gonna check. Age. Eternal. Eternal means that he'll never die. What? He has a lot of birthdays. Secret stone circle. Yeah, it's cool. Talk to Elizabeth. Ah, so that was really cool. Where are we headed next? Right, we need to head to Fingrove. Oh wait, now there's another question. The vineyard? Question mark? Oh yeah, I think I had something I needed to do in the vineyard, but I never actually completed it. Let me go back to the vineyard and see if that's it. I'm so glad that they added all these new quests. It might have just been because, like, I was leveling up, but I think those are new quests. Because the update, I haven't seen anything except for new quests. And by the way, for the Lusitano, if I end up buying it, instead of buying the Lusitano, in the end I might end up buying the Lipizzaner, because the rear for the Lipizzaner, it's a dressage rear, so instead of doing that, they'll like sit back and hold it for a sec. But comments down below, people, tell me if the Lusitano can do the Piaffe or not, because the Lipizzaner can do the Piaffe or not, because if the Lipizzaner can do the Piaffe, I'm gonna get a Lipizzaner, not a Lusitano. Because they're good, but they're really slow. Like, my friend has a Lusitano, but it's really slow. And usually, like, she doesn't, it might just be because she can't, she's the owner of a club and she doesn't have, like, the time to train it a lot. I thought that that was a network error, and I was gonna be like, no! I hate network errors. And tell me in the comments below if you've actually been to that stone circle. That is such a cool new quest. Like, I'm gonna go there a lot. It's so fun, like, knowing, because I didn't actually think we were gonna do anything doing that, like, trotting around the circle and cantering around the circle, but it does, and I can do that, like, all the time. So write it in the comments below if you want me to make any more magical videos. I really had fun doing this one, personally. Now, this time we're gonna read this quest, because last time I just flipped through it and then I don't understand any quests. And halt. Oh no, we didn't have this quest. Oh. So of course, because my host Tin Can has spent the winter on Horse Island, that I haven't had time to go to him yet. Now, Herman, the owner of Yorfix, has hired a boat and gone to Horse Island to bring back the horses that have been stranded there since winter, and Tin Can is one of them. Could you help me by meeting the... I've heard of Tin Can too. The boat and bring Tin Can back to me? Yes, I love horses. Don't you remember this? Okay, the riding hall. So we're getting very close to level 15. I guess level really close isn't the right term, but